guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to bring you all along with me on an empty house. So it's just a small new apartment, and by the way, this is not the house. We're still going there. And by the way, I'm called Ivinette Aki for those that don't know me, and this is my baby Bree. Say hi to the people, greet my people. So guys, we don't need to waste too much time, so come with me. So guys, here we are at the building, and I am located on the first floor. So come with me as I make my way through into the apartment. So when you walk into the gate, it's still under construction. It's still a very new city, so that's why you see it in this state. So from the main gate here is the second gate leading into the various apartments. So you all are welcome into my home, and this is the main entrance into the apartment. So as you're walking through the door, that is the main entrance, and on your left you have the kitchen. So guys, here we are at the kitchen where all the magic takes place. I know there's a very good cook out there that are men. Yes, there are some men that can really cook and you have to them, but generally let's face fact, now women they always like get kitchen. I'm not saying woman's place is in the kitchen, or just like generally they're mostly the women that are like, so we are now in the kitchen. And guys, one thing I really do like about this kitchen is the fact this cover, because most of the houses around this environment, this area, that they don't really like, they've gone around check looking for houses, most of them don't have it. Just we put this slab down here, and then there's no external covered up there. So that's one thing that I really do like about this kitchen. That's one of the things that like us like, you know, like you're going to settle. Nah, here we'll get. So let me take you and show you guys around this kitchen. So guys, these are the cupboards I was talking to you about. So it's been separated into two shelves. You can either pack your pot, your plate. So just stay tuned. I'll be doing the final makeover of the house. I'm going to show you guys the final look. And here you can pack maybe your foodstuffs, or you carry them outside. Then here, guys, I beg, don't mind as we are having this. These are not supposed to be here. Just that as we took the house, we want to clean it. That's why you see all this disorganization, but it's not supposed to be here. So here we can place our gas bottle, and the gas plate will be right over here. So guys, it's like I will not really show you what this house do. This little man won't allow me to do my video in peace. It's like as we just got here, he's not really used to the house. It's a new house, so he's really finding it strange. He doesn't want to put his feet on the floor. Everything irritates him. Look at his eyes. See? Look at you crying. I cannot really do a good video because motherhood. Still a blessing though. So guys, over here we are at the balcony, and there is something really special that I really do love about this balcony. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So with this asked the owner of the house, and he said here you could do your laundry if you have a machine that is a switch. You can connect it there, and there is the circle where all the dirty water gets go in. I don't know if that is the name. And from the kitchen we move directly into the living room, and on our left we have the dining, a section. You guys are going to be seeing it all in a bit. So this way I'm going to place all the chairs, the carpet, the TV, and we have a balcony just in front of the living room where you can sit and have a beautiful side views. So there is the main entrance into the apartment, and there is the dining room section, and from there we are going to be moving straight into the bedrooms. But first we have to go into the bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. So there is a toilet pod. You have where you can place your towel. There is the mirror. And the sink is also there for you to wash your hands. And over here we have the first bedroom. It's just a simple bedroom, nothing complicated about it. And we do have your wardrobe where you can place your clothes. And from there we have the master bedroom, which is just as simple to as it is, nothing really too complicated about it. The only difference with the other bedroom is that it has its own bedroom present in it. So guys, I hope you are really enjoying the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and to turn on your notification bell. And there it has its own wardrobe, and we move straight forward into the master bedroom. And the difference between the guest bedroom and the master bedroom is that, hey guys, I cannot really explain it. So it's mostly made up of iron, not the rubber type, yes, as we saw in the guest bedroom. So here we have all where you can keep your soap. It's all made up of iron. And so guys, that's it for the video. I have no choice. I just have to just do a rough show around the house, and then I don't know if it's problem, his house just irritates him a lot. He's just finding everything new to him. So I can't keep up with the video, so I have to leave it at this time. So thank you so much for watching to the end. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell, and stay tuned for the makeover when I'm done with everything. So